Partial submissions are created every time somebody fills in some information, but not all of it. This means they abandon your project before they make it to its final page. They may or may not have left their contact information behind. There are three types of partial submissions. There is revealed partial submissions, unrevealed partial submissions, and expired partial submissions. Unrevealed is the default setting for partial submissions, after which they will turn into reveal partial submissions. Unrevealed is the default setting for partial submissions. If you choose to reveal them manually, then they will turn into revealed partial submissions. If you don't reveal them within 30 days, they will turn into expired partial submissions and will be deleted after 45 days. You can find your partial submissions in Project Analytics in the Responses tab. You can also have a look at them in your detailed metrics in your funnel. They are included in the All Submissions section, which means both completed and partial submissions. But if you want to have a look at them individually, head over to Responses and filter your responses by only partial submissions. To reveal a partial submission, click it and hit the big green button. You can reveal each submission individually, or you can reveal all partial submission for this individual project. If you're wondering if there is personal data in this submission, have a look in the Personal Data tab and see if any of the personal data submissions have a partial submission icon, like this one for example. It means that there is personal data tied to an unrevealed partial submissions and you can reveal them to view the data. If there's a lot of partial submissions in your Personal Data tab, that means it's probably worth it to reveal all your partial submissions for this particular project. Once you reveal a partial submission, it behaves like a completed submission. You can export it and view its submission details. So let me show you real quick. I'm going to reveal all of them. And there we go. We can view it just like any other submission. We can see the personal data, the question answers, the results, device type, and other submission details, just like it would be for a completed submission. One thing we need to be careful about, however, is keeping GDPR and data protection laws and regulations in mind when working with partial submissions. If you're based outside of the EU and are not concerned about the GDPR, you can choose not to accept submissions from within the EU, and you can do that in project settings like this.